Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of an Autel Maxxis MS906BT. I purchased this through a local auto parts store. Prices online range a bit depending on what's included. My kit here was around $1,300. I picked up this particular unit because I wanted bi-directional controls and key programming. I have used the MS908 for several years. It is twice the price and only offers a few extra features that I won't use enough to justify the extra expense. There are a lot of diagnostic scanners on the market. If you're looking for a code reader, I would recommend a less expensive option. But if you like to tinker or find yourself working on friends and family's cars, this is a good value for the money. And maybe you could even get them all to chip in a little bit on it. It doesn't hurt to ask. Let's see what we got in here. Got the OBD2 communication module, the scanner itself, we have all the paperwork, nice user's manual, screen cleaner, cigarette lighter power cable, charging cable for the wall, USB cable, if you work on a lot of US or Asian vehicles on the regular, this is a good fit for you. But if you tend to do a lot of repairs on European vehicles, this tool may not live up to your expectations. So keep that in mind if you're considering a purchase of it. Here's the first startup of the scanner. Once it's fully booted up, you'll have to create an Autel account and register it. You'll need the serial number and the password that are located in the About tab. Alright, now that I've got the Autel scanner registered, I went to update it and it had 31 updates it needed. So we'll just start getting those going. This tool has a micro SD slot. I recommend you get a memory card as soon as possible. The memory expansion is very useful. You get free updates for the first year, and some of the updates are quite large. With a built-in camera on both sides, it's nice to have the extra storage space. To update the tool fully, I recommend getting the included power cable, plugging it into the Bluetooth dongle, so it has power the whole time while it's updating, and I start with the smallest file and work my way up to the largest. Now, for what you've all been waiting for, a real-world demonstration! Alright, we're going to program a new key for my Honda. want to do 2 keys because I have the original key and I have a new key. Now I gotta put in a new key. Alright, now let's try it. Original key. Alright. And new key. Good to go. Alright, all systems scanned, and we're going to see why the airbag light's on. Alright, all the systems have scanned. It took about 4 minutes. We have 1 ABS fault, 2 airbag faults, and 2 EPS faults. Let's see what they say. After watching this video, you're probably asking, what else can this tool do? Leave a comment below and I'll answer those questions to the best of my ability. Well, I hope this video has lit a fire in all your cylinders and boosted your octane rating. And I hope to entertain you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Any questions or concerns, leave a comment down below.